Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add video captions in Descript. If you are new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so go over to your Descript. If you don't have one, go to their website, download and install it and make an account. And here as you can see, I already put my sample video and the script automatically puts the text beside my video right there. So when I play it like this is just a sample that I made for this video. I hope this video helps you. Have a nice day. As you can see, it's accurate. Okay, so now I'm gonna teach you how to add captions in your video. So at the top right corner, click on the text button and hit caption. And there it is. Now you can customize this as we like. We can move it around. I'm gonna put it in the center like this. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so now let's try and customize our text caption a little bit. In the text section, you can change the font style of your captions like this. And in the style tab, we can choose to change the text as well. Like for example, I want to change the look into karaoke mode. And when I play the video, it should look like this. This is just a sample that I made for this video. I hope this video helps you. Have a nice day. Looks good. Now we can also customize the style if you want. So for example, I want to change the highlight color of the karaoke. Let's change it to green, like this. And we can also add some borders to the text to highlight it more. So let's play it one more time. This is just a sample that I made for this video. I hope this video helps you. Have a nice day. So yeah, I'm satisfied with the style that I made. Feel free to customize it to whatever you want. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.